Hey, it's Lola Cascade, and today we're diving into something that's absolutely critical if you want to get the most out of generative AI, prompt engineering. If generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Jasper are the car, then prompt engineering is your driver's manual. It's about learning how to steer, accelerate, and navigate so that you get exactly where you want to go. Let's start with the basics. What is prompt engineering? At its core, it's the process of crafting precise, detailed instructions for AI to follow. Think of a prompt as your side of the conversation. It's how you tell the AI what you need. But here's the catch. The AI can only respond based on the clarity and quality of your instructions. If your prompt is vague, you'll get vague results. If your prompt is clear, specific, and well-structured, the AI can deliver something truly amazing. Now, I want to set some expectations right away. Using AI isn't like waving a magic wand. For simple tasks, you might get great results in minutes. But for something complex, like writing a full report, creating an ad campaign, or designing a visual concept, it's going to take time. You'll need to refine your prompts, interact with the AI multiple times, and tweak the output until it's just right. Think hours, or even a couple of days, not weeks or months like traditional methods. So yes, AI speeds things up, but only when you approach it with the right mindset and process. And this is where prompt engineering becomes your superpower. It's not just about what you're asking for, it's about how you ask. A good prompt does three things. It sets the stage. It gives the AI the context it needs to understand the task. It guides the AI. It provides enough detail to eliminate guesswork. It defines the goal. It ensures the AI knows exactly what you want to achieve. Let me give you an example to show why this matters. Imagine you want to write a blog about productivity. If you just type, "write a blog about productivity," the AI might give you something generic like, "productivity is important for achieving your goals. Here are 3 tips to stay productive." It's fine, but it's not great. Now, if you say, "write a 500-word blog for remote software developers about balancing productivity and mental health while working from home," focus on tips like time blocking, reducing distractions, and maintaining work-life balance. The AI knows exactly who you're writing for, what tone to use, and what key points to include. The result? A tailored, actionable, and engaging post. But even with a well-crafted prompt, you might not hit the mark on the first try. And that's okay. Working with AI is an iterative process. Think of it like sculpting. You start with a rough shape, refine it, and then polish it until it's perfect. Each iteration brings you closer to your goal. Introducing the COAST framework. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about a framework that makes prompt engineering much easier, COAST. This stands for context, objective, actions, scenario, task. It's a step-by-step process for structuring your prompts so that the AI understands exactly what you need. Let's break it down. 1. Context. Set the stage. The first step is to provide context. Think of this as the background information the AI needs to understand your request. What's the situation? Who's the audience? Why does this matter? For example, if you're writing a blog about small business productivity, your context might be, "This blog is for small business owners who are struggling to manage their time." It's part of a series on productivity hacks. By sharing this context, you're giving the AI a sense of purpose and direction. 2. Objective. Define the goal. Next, you need to define your objective. What's the purpose of the output? Is it to inform, persuade, entertain, or inspire? The clearer your goal, the more focused the AI's response will be. For the same blog, your objective might be, the goal is to teach small business owners 3 time management strategies that are easy to implement and save hours each week. The tone should be friendly and encouraging. Now the AI knows what you're trying to achieve and how to communicate it. 3. Actions. Specify the steps. The actions describe what you want the AI to do. This could be writing, summarizing, brainstorming, or analyzing. Be specific about the steps needed to achieve the objective. For the blog example, generate a 500-word blog post with 3 actionable time management strategies. Each strategy should include a brief explanation and a real-world example. This tells the AI exactly what to include and how to structure the output. 4. Scenario. Create a situation. The scenario puts the AI in a specific role or mindset. Are they a marketing expert? A coach? A storyteller? This helps the AI tailor its response to fit the situation. For the blog, you are a productivity coach speaking to a group of small business owners at a workshop. This perspective adds depth and relevance to the response. 5. Task. Describe the deliverable. Finally, the task defines the specific output you want. This is where you get into the nitty-gritty details of what the deliverable should look like. For example, write a blog post introduction that grabs attention by addressing the common pain points of time management for small business owners. Follow this with 3 subheadings, each introducing a time management strategy, and conclude with a motivational call to action. This ensures the AI produces something structured, actionable, and ready to use. Coast in action, a full example. Let's see how this all comes together. Context. This blog is for small business owners who are struggling to manage their time. It's part of a series on productivity hacks. Objective. The goal is to teach small business owners 3 time management strategies that are easy to implement and save hours each week. The tone should be friendly and encouraging. Actions. Generate a 500-word blog post with 3 actionable time management strategies. Each strategy should include a brief explanation and a real-world example. Scenario. You are a productivity coach speaking to a group of small business owners at a workshop. Task. Write a blog post introduction that grabs attention by addressing the common pain points of time management for small business owners. Follow this with 3 subheadings, each introducing a time management strategy, and conclude with a motivational call to action. With this prompt, the AI has everything it needs to deliver a well-structured, high-quality result. Why Coast works? The Coast framework simplifies prompt engineering by breaking it into manageable steps. It ensures your prompts are clear and focused, purpose-driven, tailored to the audience and task. It's flexible enough to work for any project, from blog posts to ad campaigns to data analysis. Your turn. Practice Coast. Now it's your turn to try Coast. Think about a project you're working on, whether it's writing a report, designing an ad, or planning social media content. Use Coast to structure your prompt and see how much easier it becomes to get the results you're looking for. Let's make AI your ultimate creative partner. What's your next Coast prompt?